You have got to get here and try these donuts. So we saw a post the other day from Courtney with Summit Title.
Thanks, Courtney.
And so we decided to stop by Lighthouse Local. It's a bakery, cafe, market, and gifts.
And our jeans are now tighter.
I'm telling you. The brownies came out when we were leaving, thank God, because I would have eaten that whole tray. But we had the two donuts. We had a mixed berry and
Like a pumpkin spice
pumpkin
donut.
spice, and they were amazing.
We need to come back on the weekend. She said they have more donut choices on the weekend. So.
Yeah. I had a little bit of a struggle with the pumpkin spice. They are huge, and it's more like...
It's like fried dough. It's not even like a donut. It's like a dessert.
Amazing. But this place has a little store where you can get some, like pancake mix, syrups, gift items, candles.
They have a catering company and a bakery, so...
Yeah, Bedford, is it Bedford Baking Company?
No, Bird Baking Company.
Bird Bath? Bird?
Oh, Bird Baking Company.
Bird Baking Company.
Yes, her last name is Bird.
Just look for the place that looks like a big lighthouse next to Hannaford's on Kilton Road in Bedford, and go inside and come out
like a fat kid.
Like a fat kid. A happy fat kid. Anyway,
We'll be back.
we will certainly be back because there are more donuts we gotta try. There's cookies. My God, it's cookies.
Everything but the kitchen sink cookie. I should have gotten one. I didn't.
Got a pumpkin spice hot latte. They have lunch items. They cater.
Now we're gonna go for a run.
No, we're not. Taking a nap. Anyway, get down here to Lighthouse Local. Go in the bakery. Just be happy. Anyway, enjoy.